What if I told you that the price of your daily coffee could quietly turn into a six-figure fortune? Not someday, not maybe, almost guaranteed, if you just understand one simple idea. $10 a day, that's it. No spreadsheets, no stock-picking genius, no inheritance from a rich uncle. Just $10 every single day for years. By the end of this video, you're going to see the exact numbers, what $10 a day turns into after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and even 40 years. Some of these numbers are going to shock you, so stick around, because what you're about to see might change the way you think about every small purchase you make for the rest of your life. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down money, investing, and wealth building in a way that actually makes sense. No jargon, no fluff. Just real numbers and real strategies you can use starting today. Before we continue, do you get real value from videos like this? If you do, hit that subscribe button right now, because we're about to dive into one of the most powerful and most underrated wealth-building strategies out there: small, consistent daily investing. This isn't about timing the market or finding the next big stock. It's about a habit so small you'll barely notice it, but so powerful it can completely rewrite your financial future. Let's get into it. The power of just $10. $10 feels like nothing, right? It's a sandwich. It's a couple of coffees. It's the kind of money that disappears from your wallet without you even noticing. And that's exactly why it's so powerful as an investment strategy. Most people think building wealth requires huge amounts of money up front, thousands of dollars, a windfall, a high-paying job. But the truth is, consistency beats size almost every single time. Investing $10 a day means you're putting in about $300 a month, or roughly $3,600 a year. That alone sounds modest. But money invested in the stock market doesn't just sit there, it grows. And when growth compounds on top of growth, year after year, the results stop looking modest and start looking extraordinary. This is the entire foundation of what we're talking about today. Small, boring, repeatable action multiplied by time. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it works and the numbers prove it. The magic of compound interest. Let's talk about why this works so well, and the answer is compound interest. Compound interest is essentially interest earning interest. When you invest your $10, it doesn't just grow on its own. The returns it generates start generating their own returns too. Over short periods, this effect is barely noticeable. But over long periods, it becomes almost explosive. Here's a simple way to picture it. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At the top, it's small and barely picks up anything. But as it rolls further, it gathers more snow, gets bigger, and starts picking up snow faster and faster. Your money works the same way. In the early years, your contributions matter most. But as decades pass, the growth from compounding starts to outweigh what you actually put in. This is why so many financial experts call compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It rewards patience more than it rewards effort. Assuming an average annual return of around 8 to 10%, which is roughly in line with long-term stock market averages, here's what happens when you invest $10 every single day. The 5-year snapshot. After 5 years of investing $10 a day, you'll have contributed about $18,000. With average market growth, that amount could grow to somewhere between $21,000 and $23,000. It's a solid start, but this is really just the warm-up phase. In these early years, compounding hasn't had enough time to really show its strength. Your own contributions are still doing most of the heavy lifting. Think of this stage as planting a seed. Nothing dramatic is happening above the soil yet, but the roots are forming. The 10-year snapshot. Fast forward to 10 years, and the picture starts to shift. Your total contributions would be around $36,000, but thanks to compounding, your portfolio could realistically be worth somewhere between $55,000 and $60,000. Notice something important here. Your contributions only doubled from year 5 to year 10, but your total balance grew by more than double. That's compounding starting to flex its muscles. This is usually the point where people start to feel the motivation shift. It's no longer just a habit, it's becoming real, visible wealth. The 20-year snapshot. Now here's where things get genuinely exciting. After 20 years of consistently investing $10 a day, your total contributions would be around $73,000. But your investment could grow to somewhere in the range of $180,000 to $200,000. depending on market performance. Let that sink in. Your actual out-of-pocket money is under $75,000, but compounding has more than doubled, maybe even nearly tripled it. This is the stage where people often say, "I wish I had started sooner," because the gap between what you put in and what you end up with becomes impossible to ignore. The 30 and 40-year snapshot. Let's go even further. After 30 years, your total contributions sit around $109,000. But your portfolio could be worth somewhere between $400,000 and $450,000. And if you push it to 40 years, which is realistic if you start in your 20s or early 30s, your contributions would total around $146,000. While your investment could realistically grow to somewhere between $800,000 and over $1 million. Read that again. A simple $10 daily habit, invested consistently, with no special timing or stock picking skill, can realistically turn into a seven-figure outcome over a working lifetime. That's the entire point of this video. Small actions, repeated consistently over long periods, create outsized results because of how compounding works. Quick pause before we go further. If these numbers are blowing your mind a little, imagine what happens when we talk about investing $20 or $50 a day instead of just 10. I'm planning to break that down in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss it. Also, if you're finding this helpful, drop a comment below telling me what amount you're planning to start investing. It genuinely helps me know what to cover next. And it might inspire someone else watching this video too. Alright, let's get back into it. What affects these numbers? Now, it's important to be honest about a few things that affect these projections. First, the stock market doesn't grow in a perfectly straight line. Some years will be up 20%, other years will be down. These projections use average long-term returns, but your actual journey will have ups and downs along the way. Second, the account type you use matters. Investing through a tax-advantaged account, where your growth isn't taxed every year, will get you closer to these higher numbers. Investing in a regular taxable account may slightly reduce your final total due to taxes on dividends and gains. Third, fees matter more than people realize. A low-cost index fund with minimal fees will keep far more of your returns than an account loaded with high management fees. Over 40 years, even a small difference in fees can mean a difference of tens of thousands of dollars in your final balance. Why most people never get there? If the math is this simple, why doesn't everyone end up a millionaire from small daily investing? The honest answer is consistency. It's incredibly easy to invest $10 today, and incredibly easy to skip it tomorrow because something else feels more urgent. The real challenge isn't finding $10. Most people can find that without much sacrifice. The real challenge is staying consistent for years, even decades, especially during periods when the market is down and your account balance looks smaller than what you put in. The investors who succeed with this strategy aren't smarter than everyone else. They're simply more consistent. They treat their daily $10 like a bill they have to pay, not an optional extra they'll get to eventually. That mindset shift is honestly more valuable than any of the numbers we just looked at. A real-world example. Let's make this even more concrete with a quick example. Imagine two people, both 25 years old. The first person starts investing $10 a day immediately and never stops, all the way until they're 65. The second person waits 10 years, telling themselves they'll start once they're earning more, then begins the exact same habit at 35 and continues until 65 as well. Even though the second person invests for 30 years instead of 40, you might assume the gap between them would be small, since it's only 10 years of difference. In reality, because of how compounding accelerates in the later years, the first person can end up with nearly double what the second person has, despite contributing only a third more money overall. That's the cost of waiting. It's not just the missed contributions, it's the missed years of compounding on top of those contributions. This single example is often enough to convince people that the best time to start is always today, not someday. How to actually start, if you want to put this into action. Here's the simple version. Open a brokerage or retirement account that supports automatic, low-fee investing. Set up an automatic transfer of around $10 a day or $300 a month into a broad market index fund. Automating this step is crucial because it removes willpower from the equation entirely. You're not relying on motivation, you're relying on a system. Then the hardest and most important part, leave it alone. Don't panic during downturns, don't try to time the market, and don't pull money out the moment you see a dip. The entire strategy works because of time in the market, not timing the market. So, what really happens if you invest $10 every day? In the short term, not much, a modest, steadily growing account. But given enough time, that same small habit can transform into tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or potentially over $1 million. The numbers aren't magic, and they're not guaranteed since markets fluctuate. But the principle behind them is proven and time-tested. Small, consistent investments, given enough time, create extraordinary results through the power of compounding. The real takeaway here isn't really about the $10 at all. It's about starting now, rather than waiting for the perfect moment or a bigger amount of money. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work in your favor, and time is the one resource you can never get back. If this video gave you some real perspective on what small, consistent investing can actually do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need to hear this message. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, where we'll dig even deeper into building real, lasting wealth through simple, repeatable habits. Drop a comment letting me know what your daily number is going to be. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.